Hello guys, my name is Amit Kumar and this is one more video on how to get Claude Opus or GPT 5.5 model for free. So let me show you first of all what I have built using this, and we will tweak these things as well. We just made this earth. Now I use Claude Opus 4.7 here. Make this earth a little bit small. Okay, so it will be made a little bit small. It is editing the file, as you can see. Okay, now we will go to our refresh. As you can see, it is small. Now we will use GPT 5.5 model with thinking to extra high, and we will ask make the earth more glowing. As you can see, both model are working, Claude Opus 4.7 and GPT 5.5 model. Every model is working on this trick. Let me refresh, and it is more growing, but it is not looking good, I know. Let's see how to get these models for free. This is what about our video about. So we get these free tier from the Devin AI. As you can see, it gives the trial for 14 days. These model for 14 days. As you can see, I have this account and it is completely free, completely not used, a completely new account. And let me show you my another account, and I have used this account like fully, and only 3 days are left. So how to get it set up? So let me log out this thing. Okay, now we are logged out. Close the folder as well. You need to do like two to three things. So first of all, we go to Devin AI, go over here and just sign up. Okay, sign up with your email ID. OTP sent to your email ID. Okay, we got the code 661852. We will enter it. Okay, now over here you can connect your GitHub account, but I won't recommend it. Okay, you don't need to do that. Go to settings, just close. Okay, so you can see that here you can get to the plans, and you will see that a 14 days trial is there. If it is not there, then you can't do anything about it, but if it is there, just press on start free trial, and you need to enter your card details. Okay, so I will enter my card details and I will hide them, and after adding them I'll come back later. So we will enter the code sent to our registered mobile number. So as you can see that after like successful sign up or card details, it will show a 14 days trial. And let me show you the uses. And now you need to download Windsurf. Just download the IDE from here. Okay, download from like for your operating system from the official website. I have already done that, and just install it. Just log into Windsurf and it will open it in your browser. Just press on connect with Devin AI and it will log in. Let me show you. Okay, open Windsurf. Okay, as you can see, it is logged in with my new account, and let me open the same project and ask it to like, let me ask it to like Claude Opus 4.7. It is not looking good. Make the glowing effect more modern and awesome. Let me show you it will work or not. So as you can see, after a little bit time it just worked. Let me refresh, and it is also not looking good, so don't worry about this. What I was trying to say that you can get 14 days trial, and you can see my new account also hit the users with these like tokens we used. Okay, it is not hitting right now, and it will hit. So this is what I was talking about. You get 14 days and you can create multiple accounts. The only caveat is you need a credit card. So you can get the bin also from Telegram, but I won't recommend that. That is completely illegal. So if you have multiple credit card like me, you can have like 2 to 3 months easy uses on the Debian AI. And as you can see, I'm using it on multiple like project. I have some other project as well, and I'm using it on there. So I hope you get the idea. So thanks for watching. If you found helpful, please do like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.